Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Code with Surya Official. In today's video, we are going to start learning about CSS, the part of web development that makes your website looks beautiful and stylish. If you have ever looked at a plain HTML page and thought, this looks boring, then CSS is what adds color, layout, fonts and design to make it look great. So if you are ready to make your web pages come say live, let's get started. So let's first discuss what is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. That might sound a bit fancy, but it's actually very simple. Think of it like this. HTML is the skeleton or structure of your web page, and CSS is the clothes and style that make that structure looks nice. For example, HTML can create things like a button on the screen, but CSS decides how that button will look and feel. For example, CSS can control what color the button should be, what font or text style it uses, how big or small the button is, whether it has rounded corners or a shadow, and even where it appears on the page. So HTML just creates the button, but CSS makes it look like a cool, clickable button that users actually want to press. So basically, HTML builds the content and CSS make it look good. Let's discuss what we will learn in this CSS section. In this CSS section, we will go step by step. We will learn how to add CSS to web page, for example, inline, internal and external methods. How to use selectors like element, class and ID to target specific part of your page. The most common CSS property, that is color, background, font, padding and margin. The box model, which helps us to understand spacing and layout. And finally, some simple responsive design tips using media queries so your website looks perfect on all screen sizes. By the end of this section, you will be able to take a plain HTML page and turn it into a clean, colorful and professional looking website using just CSS. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video really helpful, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Code with Surya Official and check out the full playlist for the complete HTML and CSS course. Thanks for watching, keep learning and happy coding. See you in the next video.